Wintertime camping, RVing. What are you going to do? Well, you're going to head south. Most of us do. I'm right here in the middle of Arizona, right in the heart of snowbird country. Yuma, Quartzsite, Phoenix, all that. But it also is all over the country along the southern belt. Let's take a look. In the wintertime, most of the campgrounds, RV parks, everything in all the upper U.S. region, they close. Now, some of the ski resorts will stay open, and you can attempt to camp there, but boy, that's miserable. So what does everyone do? They head south. They come on down. I am right here located. Let me show you here. Right here in Quartzsite. In Quartzsite, there is all kinds of BLM camping, free camping, Lake Havasu area. This is my neck of the world right here. Phoenix is real popular, but also besides that, entire Southern California is loaded with snowbirds from anywhere from Palm Springs to Indio, San Diego, way down here in El Centro, Yuma, all those areas. And then you go in over here, Tucson, plus southern New Mexico. It's warm enough, people will flock there in their RVs. All across southern Texas, San Antonio, Houston, clear across the Gulf Coast. Galveston, if you Google Galveston, that is a huge wintertime RV escape right there in Galveston. And that is one neat town. That's one town I haven't been to yet. In clear across Louisiana, and then Florida, that's it. Besides Arizona, Florida is probably the number one escape in the wintertime for RVers. If you go up here, here's a good Sam snowbird destination. They show all these states. They included Oklahoma. I don't think so. But that's Good Sam. But most of these southern states right here, that'd be right on the southern end. Alabama would be one. Even Georgia, but Florida for sure. Then KOA, they're even showing where you can camp in the winter if you want to get up around ski lodges and whatnot. So there is a huge chunk of the country where you can escape the harsh, cold winter. And you got to realize, too, even though it's warm, it's not that warm. Like Arizona, a lot of parts of it still get snow. Even in the desert, you can get down to freezing. But it's still better than being way up north where it's 20 below zero with a big old wind blowing. Anyway, come on down. Enjoy. That's a great part of RVing. Come on down and enjoy the warmth. Okay, moving on.